Your next car could be the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. The Wrangler JK delivers off-road performance, technology that keeps you safe and connected, creature comforts, convenient storage, and the open-air spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Free your spirit in the Wrangler JK. Take it out on the road today.